Bumaba ang bilang ng mga police-reported hate crime noong 2025 ayon sa bagong datos ng Statistics Canada Miyerkules. Pero ang mga insidenteng may kaugnayan sa anti-immigrant sentiments tumami. Alamin ang detalye sa report ni Kisha Balatba.
Sa datos na inilabas ng Statistics Canada Miyerkules, nakitang bumaba ang Crime Severity Index sa bansa noong 2025. Bumaba rin ang bilang ng mga police-reported hate crime matapos ang ilang magkasunod na taon kung saan naging mataas ang tala nito.
The increase from 2018 to 2024 was 166%. So more than double, almost triple the amount of hate crimes. So the decline was basically due to a decrease in the number of hate crimes targeting religion. So those went down. But as well as hate crimes targeting sexual orientation.
Kumpara noong 2024, halos pareho lang daw ang tala ng mga hate crime na target ang race o ethnicity. Pero dumami raw ang mga insidente na tinatarget ang mga immigrant at newcomer. Bagay na napansin din daw ng Executive Director ng Kababayan Multicultural Center pagdating sa kanilang serbisyo.
What we've seen on the ground, one of our settlement counselors in a public setting experienced verbal attacks, questioning why Kababayan was helping newcomers, our downtown office experienced security concerns. And again, whenever we promote our programs and services online, there's anti-immigrant comments that have appeared.
Ani Solis, hindi lamang ito nakakaapekto sa mga individual, apektado rin daw ang kanilang pamilya at mga komunidad.
It really fosters fear and loss of belonging, right? And so, when immigrants are being repeatedly blamed for housing shortages, for employment pressures, or challenges that's happening in, healthcare, we may begin to question whether we're truly welcomed here in Canada, right? People may feel anxious, right, when using public transit or being in public spaces, even maybe speaking their own language in public or attending community events and accessing services.
Sa mga nakaranas ng hate crime, maaari raw lumapit sa kanilang organisasyon para makakonekta sa isang counselor na maaaring makatulong sa kanila.
Don't normalize hate and, don't face it alone. Document and report incidents if you've seen a hate crime, seek support, and also stand with other communities, right? I think our kababayans have an important role in building a society where every person, regardless, where they are born, can feel safe and respected.
Paalala ni Solis sa mga newcomer, huwag payagang maging balakid ang hate sa paggamit ng mga mahalagang serbisyo at makisama sa komunidad. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.